I can't make sense out of. I can't just see that and ignore it. Make it to make sense to me, because everything you guys are saying is highly contradicting each other. Highly contradicting each other. You cannot make such contradicting statements and expect people to go and hug their pillow and sleep off. No. Explain more. We need more explanation to what you just said. This is to tell you, why I'm touching all those things, this is to tell you, my people, that our people are good at this. Even in Nigerian politics, among the politicians from Southeast, once they want to achieve something, they will go at any length to blackmail their brother, their family, anybody, for people to turn against that person. Me, I hate liars. People who want to lie to me to take advantage of me. That is one of the things that I despise so much. If you want me to help you, complain. Don't hide. I've not even put my number. Our brother is calling and I have to answer because this is Easter. Hello? Hello, sir. Hello?
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter to you, my brother. Nice to have you.
Yes, Christ is risen.
Yes.
Christ by force. Yes, as I'm aware coming to the other, say that program that is supposed to repeat that program of yesterday before yesterday.
Okay, yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yes.
So this thing you played, this voice you played now is that is so who will trust this man in his life again? Tell me any reasonable person, any reasonable man in this world, what will this man tell them now that they will believe?
So to be honest with you, I'm not even interested in this one. The one that I want to, that I'm not talking with Panaka and the Bunkawa is because I have listened to that one, but nobody will believe me until I play it, just like I played this one now. Nobody will believe.
Yeah.
But continue.
So the issue not there, but now Onya guy. Who will believe everything he's saying? Nobody, because number one is, if you are talking about Caterpillar, who know what he did to Caterpillar in the first place? Let's assume that Caterpillar is against him or they have problem with Caterpillar. Yeah. Who knew exactly what he did against Caterpillar? Because when somebody is lying, a man who cannot stand on his word, a man that doesn't have credibility, integrity, so how can you fight for this kind of person? How can you believe him? Because only when you keep only you trust.
Yes. Yes.
Somebody a liar. So anything he's telling you, you cannot believe. You will not believe that person because because he
yes.
So that is the time. I mean, we're gonna try to so that is the fact. That is why human beings must live a good and exemplary life.
Exactly.
Exactly. So you see, so look at what you're playing now, and this tape now is not even up to 6 months.
No.
And he's saying a different thing today.
That's not. If everything I go to the guitar now, PMN was here. This person, PMN was here. Even why is the same thing? Two of them.
Yeah.
This one, I've just listened to this one newly. But why is that one is that one I have it before, but I don't know how I misplaced it. When I was telling people not to call her names here, like. I was trying to, because I was hoping that she will come back to her senses. That audio was with me, but you know that if you have some files on your phone, sometimes you need to do some cleanup to create more space. So that's how I lost that audio. But